How to sound human again in your emails. The goal is to build trust and show your practical, communication first marketing style. In other words, stop sounding robotic. If your patient emails sound like a robot wrote them, you're losing connection and trust. Most healthcare emails are packed with jargon, policies, and appointment details, but no personality. Try this. Before you hit send, read it out loud. If it doesn't sound like something you'd actually say to a patient face to face, rewrite it. Replace "our office requires 24-hour cancellation notice" with "we value your time and ours. If you need to reschedule, just let us know by tomorrow." See the difference? It's still professional, but human. I'm Dr. Barbara Hales with Marketing MD Media. Follow for quick tips that make your digital marketing sound as caring as your bedside manner.